Hello children, you're welcome to Wisdom Tutors Academy. Today we are going to learn arts family words. Arts family words. A says while T says t. When we blend them together, we get arts. Now let's build some words with arts. C says k, k. Arts. Arts will give us what? Cat. Arts equals to cat. B says b. B. Arts. Bat. R says r. R. Arts. Rat. M says m. M. Arts. Mat. S says arts, sat. Arts, cat. B, arts, bat. R, arts, rat. M, arts, mat. S, arts, sat. Can you read this? Let's go again. K, arts, cat. B, arts, bat. R, arts, rat. M, arts, mat. S, arts, sat. Great children. What is this? This is called what? Art. Again, art. A says while T says t. It will give us what? Art. C says k. Let's blend. Art will give us cat. B. Art will give us bat. R. Art will give us rat. M. Art will give us mat. S. Art will give us sat. Let's go one more time. K. Art, cat. B. Art, bat. R. Art, rat. M. Art, mat. S. Art, sat. Great children. Please keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more phonics lessons. Thank you.